Are you trying to decide between NodeMailer and Resend? You're not alone. Many people want to know which tool is better for sending emails. In this video, we'll compare NodeMailer and Resend. Both are popular choices for sending emails, but they have different features and benefits. NodeMailer is an email sending library for Node.js. It allows you to send emails easily from your server. It supports various transport methods like SMTP and even sending emails directly. NodeMailer is known for its flexibility and customization options. You can set up different types of emails, including HTML and plain text. On the other hand, Resend is a newer service focused on simplicity. It offers a straightforward API to send emails without much setup. You can send transactional emails and newsletters quickly. Resend aims to make the email sending process as easy as possible. Now, let's look at the key differences. NodeMailer gives you more control and customization. You can fine tune your emails to match your needs. Resend is simpler and faster to set up. If you want something quick and easy, Resend might be the way to go. When it comes to features, NodeMailer supports attachments and multiple email formats. Resend focuses on speed and ease of use with fewer options for customization. This makes it great for beginners or small projects. In terms of pricing, NodeMailer is free to use, but you may need to pay for your email service. Resend usually has a subscription model which can vary based on usage. So, which one should you choose? If you want flexibility and control, go for NodeMailer. If you prefer simplicity and speed, Resend is the better choice. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more comparisons.